Hi, my name is Shekhar and I'm the Group COO of Olam. I'm here to share with you the operating results for 2016, and I want to focus on four main areas. Number one, the earnings growth in 2016. Number two, the continuing efforts on debt optimization that we have been doing over the last few years. Number three, the focus on free cash flow generation. And number four, the targeted investments that we have made in some of our prioritized platform, which bode very well for 2017 and beyond. So starting with our earnings performance, very pleased to inform that we have generated an operational PATMI of 23% growth over prior period, netting off all exceptional items. In 2015, we had one-off exceptional losses, which resulted in an overall loss of 115 million. But against that, we have delivered a PATMI of $351 million. And this is against the backdrop of very challenging conditions, overall macroeconomic conditions, as well as very tough operating conditions in our marketplace. In a year which was a very tough year for the overall industry, we are very pleased with the result wherein our operational earnings and our operational performance grew 23% over the prior period. Moving on to the overall debt portfolio optimization, which has been a journey that started in 2014. In terms of our overall financing cost, in 2016 it was $45 million lower compared to 2015, and this was despite our continuing investments and an overall increase in our debt portfolio. And this has come on the back of us being able to reduce our credit spreads across all our tenors in our debt portfolio, and also ensuring that we have optimize the tenors to meet our overall assets that we have invested in. The third area is where we feel we have done very well is the focus on free cash flow. So while because of our continued investments, we are still overall negative, but it has been a significant improver over prior period because of the improvements in our net operating cash flows as well as reduced capex that we have done in the last year. So put together with a very strong earnings growth, very strong debt portfolio and optimized debt portfolio, a focus on continued focus on free cash flow generation, we have ended 2016 in a very strong financial, on an overall financial basis, and are looking forward to 2017 to build upon the competitive position that we have invested in over the last few years. Going forward, it's all about execution, and we will stay focused in 2017 on delivering three outcomes. Number one, extract full value from our contributing investments. Number two, ensuring the operating milestones are delivered on in our gestating assets. And number three, ensuring that we make and pursue targeted growth in our prioritized platforms. And as always, we'll do this by growing responsibly, staying focused on ensuring good governance standards, focus on sustainability, and deliver real value to all our stakeholders. So stay tuned for further progress on our strategic plan, and thank you very much for joining us today.